Hello again, everybody. This is Nick coming back to you for one more update on Sherry before we actually start getting the engine inside. As you can see, she has been here for just quite a little bit. I think over about maybe 3-4 months. Just waiting on this engine rebuild due to the scarcity of parts, because ironically enough, although they aren't as expensive as what you would find on a 59 Cadillac, they are a lot rarer to come by. And just wanted to show you what we've currently done inside of the engine bay, as well as what we plan to do for the future. So just a quick overview of how the engine bay is looking now. I'm sure that some of you have actually seen some of the laser cleaning videos that we have uploaded, and yes, I apologize that it wasn't the best quality of laser clean, but we did get it properly cleaned in the end after a little bit of brushing on certain circumstances. But thankfully, it was just mainly surface rust and scraping off the disgusting sludge that had been packed up inside of all of these portions right here. And I'm sure you can see it's not the best of paint job. In fact, I don't even think that that was supposed to be painted black, but it doesn't matter because this isn't going to Conteurs d'Elegance. It's not a show car. This is just a car to have fun. It's got a lot of rich history, and one of the cool things about it is that by pure chance, the individual who knew the first owner of this contacted me on Facebook and is willing to talk with me about the history of the car. In fact, he and the original owner of this that I bought off of the brother of him, who sadly passed away from cancer, they had actually used this to go around the upper state New York area for 35 years, and a bunch more history that I'm planning on in later videos. And turning to the interior of the vehicle, as you can kind of see, it's still kind of off placement, but I'm working on that. For our interior, I do plan, after we get the engine inside there and properly tuned, getting the carpet fixed. I have a individual set up right here to do the upholstery for both the doors, the bottom, and the steering wheel. I'm still working on a fix for this. And then finally, the most important part is getting this beautiful black paint restored and maybe updated to some better paint, because this one stage enamel paint is not doing so hot on the car, as you can kind of see right here, but even so. And then also giving a nice clean for our drums here and wheels. That way we can have her up for this upcoming 24 season. Maybe go to Miami, start going over to Las Vegas. I know that. A big thing is from our last video, the cracked windshield both here and here, which thankfully Haggerty is going to replace at no charge to me, which is super cool. No, this is not basically a sponsored video. I just use them and I like them as a company because they have what they call agreed market value. So I tell them how much it's worth and give them evidence as to why it's worth that, and we just go from there. I do have a set of newly gold-plated 60 Special side markers. I have learned very well that these are not stickied on with any type of adhesive. They're actually just punched in very carefully, and you have to do the same thing when taking it out. Then on the final run, because it's going to be the most expensive, is dealing with this chrome. Now you can kind of see a bit of overspray from the engine bay painting from there. I'm not too worried because, I mean, come on, look at the state of the vehicle. She's still beautiful, don't get me wrong, but she's a dirty, dirty girl. But hopefully we can bring her back up. And adjusting the front bumper as well to bring this a bit down, because it has been towed once in their life, as you can kind of see by the oopsie daisy that they had right there. And getting her back to where people don't even know that it's not 100% perfect. Anyways, thanks for sticking with me over here, and hopefully we'll have some new videos coming out into the ether very soon.